Hello, welcome to Let's Hangout. Are you wondering what all this stuff is doing on my floor? Like the middle of my living room? It's because we are doing a collaboration today with the DIY Mommy. And I am so super excited. Thank you so much, Christina, for hosting this. I just love this one. So today we are going to be making bunnies. It's all about bunnies today. So first of all, I wanted to show you this real quick because I already had this done. I have been using this wreath every season for everything, and I just decorate it for the seasons. And basically all it is just a styrofoam, wreath form, and then I just wrapped a bunch of feather boas around it. And I got these feather boas from Dollar Tree, so I mean, I think there's like 5 of them on there. I don't remember, that was back at Halloween when I put it together. But, so anyway, we're gonna decorate this as a bunny. Then we're gonna come over here. There's a little bow and these little white things here. I got these from Target Dollar Spot and they were $3. And then these little grass things here, they came from the Dollar Tree. And let's see, this little pail right here, I got this from the Dollar Spot at Target, and that was $1. Actually, that was $1. This cute little puffball thing, isn't that cute? But I got this from the Target Dollar Spot. It's a little keychain thing or whatever that goes on your purse. But that was $3. The little bunny ears, those were $1 from Target. This is a bow that I already had from Christmas. I don't remember. Oh, that came in a package from Ross. So, and then these little crafting shapes has the glitter on it. I'm going to be using those. Oh, these came from Target. So, how much were those? Oh, those were just $1. So we're going to be using those. Some construction paper and found these little picks. I actually got these around Christmas time. Gosh, they were, I don't remember. I think they were like 60 cents because I got them like after Christmas sale. And this little, well, not little, it's a 4x4 board that I just painted and it's kind of distressed. So let's go ahead and put everything together. Let's make some bunnies. Okay, and here is the whimsical bunny. Isn't he cute? So all I did for this one is, well, I just put a headband on there with a bow, and I took those picks apart and made little whiskers and some little teeth, and then this is that little glittery foam there. I just put a gem in there, and construction paper, and that was it. I put the little eyes and the nose dots. I just used some white fingernail polish for that. So there's our little whimsical guy. And for number 3, I wish those ears were a little bit bigger, but that's all I could find. But I think this turned out really pretty. I just love this wreath. It's so fluffy, and I can decorate it for everything. I was thinking I could put some eggs in there, but I kind of like to keep it a little on the simpler side. But I mean, this is for inspiration only, so you can do whatever you want to it. So, yeah, I think it looks really cute. So that's bunny number 3. So here's all my little projects. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about anything, just leave me a comment below and I'll answer them. I was going to try and show you how I created everything, but I figured it'd be easy enough just to kind of walk you through and just kind of tell you. So I didn't go by templates or anything. I just kind of went with, just kind of threw everything together. It really didn't take that long at all to do all of them. So it was mostly wait time was waiting for glue to dry. So anyway, I hope you got some inspiration. Thank you so much, Christina, the DIY Mommy. I really appreciate doing this. I love doing these DIYs. I think they're so fun. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much. You guys have a good day. Bye-bye.